I said I would change my setup, but we're back, and it's not even a different day, it's the same day. And I really want to make some videos, so imagine two particles so deeply connected that no matter how far apart they are, may it be meters or like light years, cha- changing one instantly affects the other. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Like, or like maybe being like tied together, like my book. Like, check out my book, Tied Together, guys. It's amazing. Or maybe it's not, it's just average, but like it's my bestseller. So like check it out, please. Oh yeah. But like, don't you think that's like really, I don't know, like almost what can I say? Like fake? Like two souls or like two atoms being intertwined next to each other like forever. Well, that is called quantum enlightenment. Now, this is a phenomena so strange that even Albert Einstein called it spooky. So, okay, so what is quantum entanglement? Well, this is when two or more particles like are intertwined in such a way, or like should I say, tied together. Sorry, I just love my book. I'm sorry. um, uh, no matter how far apart they are, if one atom is affected, the other one is affected. Like in those movies, like in the movie Jurwa, if you have seen it, like this sounds very filmy and all, but like in the movie Jurwa, how if there was a scene where the child was on the railway track and the other child shifts and the other child also shifts. That is called quantum entanglement. Like, you know how they're like quantumly entangled, like the atoms? It's almost like they're connected by like an invisible string, like being tied together. Like, I'm sorry, I keep giving my book references or like a Taylor Swift reference, but like, this is such an interesting concept. Like, even Albert Einstein was like, oh my God, this is so weird. This is spooky. Like, that's his exact quote. You can Google it. But anyways, I also share a birthday with Albert Einstein. So, so why did Einstein call this spooky? Because like this was completely against the theory of relativity, which was like discovered by Einstein. At least, yeah, it was right. I mean, I think so. Sometimes like I don't like have a script for these videos. Like I just do like fact check before I make them, and I'm like, yeah, I think that's right. Like I read a few books. Like I have read a few books in the past, and I watch a lot of weird videos. So I was like, so I just do a fact check. I'm sorry I keep yapping in between like these things, but like anyways, so yeah, he was like he was very skeptical of this thing. Like he was like he doesn't believe in um quantum entanglement. So just to test that out, there was a scientist by the name of John Bell. Yeah, like the bell and tie together. Sorry, I'm just obsessed with that book. Like, I'm obsessed with that book. But anyway, so John Bell, he was like, let's test it out if this is like a illusion or is it like an actual thing because this is like against all the laws of physics. And guess what? It was right. Like they actually are interconnected. There were many graphs, many relations showing that, but we don't go into maths on this channel. If you like maths, you can go away because I don't like maths. I don't like the maths part, but I just like theories. So that's the biggest reason I didn't take science. I like science. I just don't like maths. So anyways, but yeah, that's all about quantum entanglement. So yeah, what do you think? I mean, I think it's really fascinating, and I mean, Einstein wasn't wrong calling it spooky. How can like two things so far apart be connected to each other? Like this is the whole logic behind like, so many Bollywood movies and so many concepts, even my whole own book. So yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.